Hello today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Samsung 980 Pro SSD. Oh yeah, the 980 Pro is one of the best SSD on the market because it's reliable and fast too. It's an SSD with 2 TB of capacity. It's also available in 500 GB or 1 TB, of course. It is a Generation 4 NVMe PCIe Express Gaming M.2 internal solid-state drive. It's a memory card for your personal computer or, of course, for your laptop. We have here a really nice and fast, reliable SSD which can save and gain up your Windows system, for example, your operation system. The next level SSD performance comes with it. Unleash the power of the Samsung 980 Pro PCI Express 4 NVMe SSD for the next level computing. The 980 Pro delivers 2 times of data transfer rate of the PCI Express 3.0 while maintaining compatibility with the PCI Express 3.0. The maximum speed we get ready to speed up to 7,000 megabit per second with the 980 Pro, and we push the limits of what an SSD can do. Powered by a new Elpsis controller designed to harmonize the flash memory components and the interface for superior speed. With the PCI Express 4.0 interface that's 2 times faster than PCI Express 3.0 SSDs and 12 times faster than the Samsung SATA SSDs. Every component of this NVMe SSD is manufactured by Samsung for performance that lasts. We have here a winning combination. Designed for hardcore gamers and tech-savvy users, the 980 Pro offers a high-performance band-wide with throughput for heavy-duty applications in gaming, graphics, data analytics, and more. It's fast at loading games, so we can play more and way less. And an everything M.2 SSD. The 980 Pro comes in a compact M.2 2280 form factor, which can be easily plugged into a desktop and, of course, in your laptops. Due to its size and thus optimize the power efficiency, it's ideal for building high-performance computing systems and reliable thermal control. These high-performance SSDs usually require high-performance thermal control. To ensure a stable performance, the 980 Pro uses nickel coating to help manage the controls, heat level and heat spreader, labeled to deliver active thermal control of the NA and D shape, of course. If you like, you can also get this with an heatsink too. So if you need much more power, use it with the heatsink. But in standard way, of course, it's enough to get this 980 Pro, as you can see it here. Samsung's story begins in 1969, when Samsung was created for the purpose of helping people achieve the impossible. After over 50 years, they are still innovating, creating technology that breaks down all the new barriers. So people like us can do what we can do. And they continue to be driven by the purpose, which is why they put people and the things they care about at the center of everything they created. And a good thing is here you can see this SSD brings power to you. This is a next level SSD performance. We unleash the power of the Samsung 980 Pro PCI Express 4.0 NVMe SSD for the next level computing. It delivers 2 times data transfer rate of the PCI 3.0 while maintaining compatible with PCI Express 3. We get read speed up to 7,000 megabit per second with 980 Pro and push the limits of what SSD can do. Powered by the new Elpsis controller designed to harmonize the flash memory components and the interface for a superior speed. With PCI Express 4 interface that's 2 times faster than 3.0 PCI Express, and 12 times faster than the old school SATA SSDs. Every component of the NVMe SSDs manufactured by Samsung for a nice performance, that least, of course. So, a winning combination designed for really nice hardcore gaming, for example, or if you have a lot of data transfer, or if you like to use this PCI Express SSD for backup in a NAS network attachment system, it's really cool. Or you get this at the main SSD in your laptop, for example. And the SSD power means that it is a lot of faster in booting and in operating on your operation system. So if you have an old school SSD, you have to update. But if you have an old school HDD in your computer, you must be updated with an Elpsis M.2 SSD. That's the 980 Pro. It comes in compact M.2 22.8T form factor, which can easily be plugged into the desktop and laptops. Due to its size and the optimized power efficiency, it's an idiot for building high-performance computer systems. That's world's #1 flash memory since 2003, and because of this, the experience of the performance and reliability that Samsung can only get from the world's #1 brand for flash memories, okay? All firmwares and components, including Samsung world-renowned DRAM and NAND, are produced in the house of Samsung, allowing it to end interaction for a quality that we can trust. That's a winning combination between a good and hard and speed up thing, which we can use in our laptop or in our computer system or in our network attachment system, or where an SSD is needed, which is fast and reliable. This is the Samsung 980 Pro SSD. In this case, with 2 TB of capacity. It's a PCI Express NVMe Generation 4 gaming M.2 internal solid-state drive memory card. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.